Hello, I'm doing a video how to fix the power problem for the official PlayStation 3 mic. I'm gonna fix it right now. So, I've had problems with this thing since I originally bought it, and I had to figure out a way to fix it. So, you just put it on the ground like that. Still needs a little bit more work before it's fixed. Hold on. See, it's still not fixed all the way. It's almost fixed. This thing's actually harder to fix than I would have originally thought. Hold on, I'm trying to get it to stand up so I can just fix it all the way. Just fix it for good. Okay, well that fell off. So you just want to lift up your foot and now at this point it's almost fixed. You can just kind of fix it yourself the rest of the way. You don't need the foot anymore. Just now it should work perfectly. Just turn it on and fix it. Thanks for watching.